Welcome back to Per's Corona Diary. This is my third edition and it's a video from the third day. Let's have a look at what's happening in Denmark right now. Since yesterday, a very interesting development took place. Actually, the borders has closed down. Work-wise, not much has happened today, except for one thing. I had a mail from one of my colleagues, and now he would say, why do you check mail on a Saturday, Per? That would just give you stress. And here I agree. Normally I wouldn't do that. But on a Saturday, and in this extraordinary situation, I think it would be a good idea just to see what's happening. So a very interesting development is this. One of my colleagues actually bought a webcam, and she wanted to know, how can you make videos on the social media? And of course, I recommended the program that I use here, that is OBS and OpenShot. So if you wonder how I made this diary, here you see OBS. And OBS is very cool because you can see it here, this is a transition, you can make scenes, and if you click on a scene, you will actually change to this. This is what my screen looks like. This is a browser, and this is the design for the front page. So with Open Broadcast Studio, I made these videos for the diary. And yeah, that's what happened work-wise today. But the development, or rather the email, is actually an interesting thing because it shows a tendency. Right now, a teacher needs a webcam. So if you wonder what I use, I have a Logitech 920. My microphone is a Throne Max. And one of the big challenges I had was actually the sound, because the room I stand in does not have much furniture in it. So the sound is not that good. I had to do tricks in order to get the sound up and working, and I'll show you right away. Here you can see that in the background you see pillows, you see a little carpet behind the microphone, and actually I found out that the sound bounces back from the wall. So if I haven't soft things behind my microphone, it sounds terrible in here. So that's just a simple trick to get a good sound. And actually, that's it for today. I think I'll stop with a view from my window again, as I did in the previous little diaries here. So let's see what's happening, and I assure you it's not much. But there might be the occasional jogger coming. It could be a single car. Then you have to wait a minute, and probably something new will happen. So Denmark is in a state of almost meditation.